I'll guide you through how to manage the Google Tasks board. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in Google Calendar Task. Once you're on the home page, look at the top left corner of your screen and click Create. A new window will pop up where you can enter the title of your task, set the date, and even add a description if needed. To create more tasks, click Add Task again and enter the title for your next task. If you want to go into more detail, click on the task name, then click Details. Here, you can write a detailed description that matches what you need to do. Next, set a due date by clicking the Date section. You can also choose a specific time by selecting Set Time. When you're done, click Done to save. Want the task to repeat daily? Just click the task, go to the bottom right, and enable the repeat option. Finally, once your task is complete, simply click Mark Completed. You still can see your finished task by clicking Completed icon. And that's it.